Hey, welcome to Calculads. I'm Mason Hasuna, Eric's behind the camera, and Mohammed's over there just staring at the lockers. Today we're going to be going over the quotient rule in continuation of yesterday's video on the product rule. In the quotient rule, or in the product rule it was just the derivative of uv, which is uv prime plus vu prime. However, for the quotient rule, it's a method of finding the derivative function that is the ratio of two differentiable functions. So u and v are two different functions one's on top of the other. You take the derivative of that, it's going to be a mouthful. You get vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. So it's going to be the bottom function multiplied by the derivative of the top minus the top function multiplied by the derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared, and u and v are two different functions. So for number one, you have f of x is equal to sine of x. When you take the derivative, you do bottom function multiplied by the derivative of the top, so you have x cosine of x minus sine of x, which is the top function, multiplied by the derivative of the bottom, which would be 1 in this scenario. And the thing is, you have to be really careful on the order you do it in, because since it's subtraction, you can't just flip the two terms. And then you have the bottom x squared, because that's the bottom function. For number two, we have a rational function. F of x is equal to 3x plus 5 over 2x plus 3. So you have the bottom function multiplied by the derivative of the top minus the top function multiplied by the derivative of the bottom. You get 2x plus 3 times 3 minus 3x plus 5 times 2 over 2x plus 3 whole squared. And then you can simplify this since it's a bunch of linear terms, and you'll actually get negative 1 over 2x plus 3 whole squared, leaving you with your final answer.